In this tutorial I will show you how to attach files in Google Chat conversations. First, open your Google Chat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now go ahead and open the conversation where you want to send the file with Google Chat. If you want to attach file, at the bottom left corner you will find this plus icon. Tap on that. Here select Files. Now select the file that you want to send. This way you can easily attach files in Google Chat conversations.